My people, this is another super clean Alfred Melcher Grobers by my people. This car is so clean. This is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS53 AMG. And my people, this car is a bi-turbo supercharged engine with 360-degree camera, railed seat belt fitting, and in fact, a lot much more. So this car is a very super clean baby, and this car is going for 102 million naira only. Don't look down on yourself. You can own it if you can dream it. Don't just dream it, come and drive it. Tag your buyer, tag your celebrity. Nothing is impossible. You can be the owner tomorrow.
リレーの時助っ人で新記録出しちゃったし。